Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into one of the hottest topics of 2024, how to make passive income using AI. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. First up, the easiest way to get started is by investing in AI-driven stocks. Companies like Nvidia and OpenAI are at the forefront of AI innovation. Their stock values have been skyrocketing, making them a goldmine for investors. But remember, investing always comes with risks, so do your homework. Next, let's talk about AI-based affiliate marketing. Tools like Jasper AI can generate high-converting content for blogs and websites. Just plug in your affiliate links and watch the commissions roll in while you sleep. Sounds amazing, right? Now, if you have a knack for coding, building and selling AI models can be incredibly lucrative. Platforms like Hugging Face and TensorFlow Marketplace allow you to monetize your creations. Imagine creating an AI that helps businesses automate their social media. There's serious money in that. Another cool way to earn passive income is through AI-driven e-commerce. Use AI tools like Shopify's Kit or Adobe's Sensei to optimize your online store. These tools can handle everything from inventory management to customer service, freeing up your time to focus on scaling your business. And let's not forget about AI-assisted content creation. If you're into video production, tools like Runway ML and Descript can automate editing, making your workflow super efficient. You could even create YouTube channels or TikTok accounts that run on autopilot thanks to AI. For those with less technical expertise, AI-powered investment apps like Betterment or Wealthfront can manage your portfolio with minimal effort. These apps use sophisticated algorithms to optimize your investments, giving you a steady stream of passive income. And finally, let's talk about AI-driven real estate investments. Platforms like Roofstock and Fundrise use AI to pick the best real estate deals for you. You can buy shares in rental properties and earn rental income without ever lifting a finger. So there you have it. From investing in AI stocks to AI-driven real estate, the opportunities are endless. The future of passive income is here, and it's powered by AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.